Hi everyone, I'm excited to share my new course with you, AI powered fashion image generator using Nano Banana and n8n. In this course, I will show you how to create stunning high quality fashion images instantly without the need for expensive photo shoots and models. Let's say you run an online fashion business like Flipkart, Myntra, or even your own boutique. Whenever you want to upload a new dress or suit, the process is usually the same. You need to hire models, arrange a photo shoot, set up lighting, and take multiple pictures in different poses. Only then are those images ready to be uploaded. This takes time, efforts, and lot of money. But what if I told you that now all you need is just the picture of the dress itself? And within minutes, you can have high quality images of that outfit being worn by a natural looking popular Indian actress in different poses like full body, sitting, or walking. Sounds amazing, right? That's exactly what this project does. So before we dive into the details, let me first give you a quick live demo of this project so that you can clearly see what exactly we are going to perform. So this is the complete workflow for this project, and to execute this workflow I have to click on this button. After that it will ask to provide the image. Choose image, and here you can see I have so many images, so let me select this one. And then you have to provide a very simple prompt. An Indian actress wearing this dress, and I want full body pose, and then click on submit. Now you can see the workflow has been started and it is moving node by node. So this entire process will take 40 seconds to 1 minute. So workflow executed successfully. So if you want to see the image, so there are two ways. Either you can click on this get image. From here you can view or download. So this is the image, you can see it has created. You can also check your email as well. So I have mentioned this email address. Here you can see I have received the email as well. So now you can see it has created a very high quality image with a natural pose. So I hope you got some idea about this project.